food.
Hit it right, hit it tight.
Oh my God.
I'm gonna go get the beverages.
Gotta let me unbuckle you there, Seymour.
Uncle
There you go.
Seymour.
Uncle Seymour, it's okay. There you go.
I'm fine.
Good thing I got a spare buckle. Goes through buckles like I go through waitresses, am I right?
Watch out, Dad.
That's my dad.
Dad, keep that pig pan strong.
Put that food on the table with monies and hoes.
More like monies and honeys.
Sure thing, Seymour.
I love rides.
Okay. Well, Dad, I'm so glad that I could make it back. I know the train ride took a long time, and I don't want to come home being way at baseball college.
I'm so glad you're back, Sarah. I've missed you.
Michael, I love you.
I love you too. You're my favorite sister. Oh. We haven't done a brother-sister bear hug in a long time.
I could go for another help.
Me too. I've missed you.
Good hug, guys.
I can feel it all the way from here.
Well, I'm glad, I could come back. I know we lost Mom to the
Don't.
circus. It's fine. She left. She wanted to be an acrobat. That's her own business.
Goddamn clowns! They don't belong in the acrobat tent. The clown tent. That's why they're different tents. Seymour, I love you, but that never helps.
I make spaghetti.
Ooh,
Well, I just want some.
my favorite. Thank you.
Yeah.
Well, I eat spaghetti.
Instead of meatballs, we got Pizza Hut pockets for this.
Oh, my favorite.
I'm so glad Mom doesn't live here anymore.
We sure never ate this much, I can tell you that. It was better.
Freshman 100 coming back. Whatever.
Because it's frozen.
I'll eat it with my hands.
You don't know how things work, Seymour.
No. All right. Well, I just kind of want to connect back with my family. How things have been going since I've been gone. I miss so much.
Yeah, I mean, it's, things are quieter.
Less bear hugs is what he means.
Yeah.
Michael. Dad.
The bathtub doesn't have a whole bunch of curly fucking hairs flying. Yeah, I mean, all around good. I wouldn't say better. I wouldn't say that.
College is so fun. Every there, nobody takes your pageant winnings and spends them on hot pockets and loose women.
Chocolate, chocolate, chocolate.